Liam and his dog Max ran along the sunny beach. They were hunting for colorful sea glass. Suddenly, a big wave splashed over their feet. When it receded, they saw a mysterious glass bottle laying on the sand. Liam picked up the bottle. Then he noticed the paper inside. Max watched curiously. The boy then pulled the note out of the bottle. As he read the message, his eyes sparkled. Together, they set off along the shore, ready for the next adventure.
Did you know you can create full YouTube-style videos inside Canva? Most people think it's just for graphics and slides, but it can do a lot more. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create videos in Canva step by step, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing I need to get started is a story. So I had an idea, then I came to ChatGPT and gave it this. An idea I had about a boy and his dog playing on the beach. So that was my idea. Then ChatGPT created these scenes and images and everything. Then I asked it to break each of those scenes down into micro scenes, including an image prompt with action details. For the boy and the dog, they need detailed descriptions, so I asked for that also. So they're consistent from scene to scene. Each scene 1 is broken into 2 mini-scenes, and there has to be an image for all. Okay, so now that I've got all that, the next thing I'll do is to start making my images. So let's go there next. I'm on the home page of Canva, and I'm gonna go to Canva AI and choose Image for now. I'll choose from these 3. And stick with Premium. For aspect ratio, I'll do that. Style, how about illustration? The first images it gave me were not at all what I asked for. They were more photographic, so I had Canva redo them for me. So that'll work fine. Okay, so I'll keep that. Next, I'm going to the next scene. I'll keep the original prompt here at the start. To make this image, I also told Canva AI what I wanted to happen in the shot. So let's click on this and see if we get the same boy and dog as up here. Hopefully we will. Okay, overall it looks really good. The only problem is he's missing part of an arm. Other than that, it's really good. All right, I'll take it and download it. So I'll just keep going, doing the same exact process over and over for each scene image. I'll show you the final images for each one as soon as I make it. All right, and that's it. So that's all of our images. So now I'm going back to Canva AI. Now it's time to make some video clips. I'm going to take each of these images that I've made and add them in here one at a time. Let's choose video clip. I'm gonna stick with Premium now. No style, use 16:9, etc. Just the basics. So let's go here and get my first image. So I've added the image there. Let me add a prompt. So let's click on this. Okay, I don't know why the boy turned into a dog, but that is not good. So let's try it again. Yeah, that one's much better, and we will download it. Let's keep going. Just watch as I take each image and do the same thing. I'll download each as I finish them. So let's make the last one. All right, I'm in the video editor. I've already added a blank down here. So the next thing I'll do is upload all the new videos. Then I'll start putting them in order. Okay, that's done. I'm going to add a blue color to the background and take each one of these videos and scoot them over a little bit, like that. Next, I'll add a split between each one of these. Just like that. And add a transition. Yeah, so that'll work. Next, since these are a little long, I'm going to take each one of these and speed them all up a little. That'll work. Okay, I'll go videos and I'm going to search for ocean. I'll put it there and blow it up and lighten it just a little bit. There we go. So now I want to add some ocean sounds. I can search for ocean sounds in here, but I prefer to go to Pixabay and get free sounds there. I'm going to Uploads and drag it. All right. So the last thing I need to do now is make a little narration talking about what's happening in the story. So I think I am going to try that here in 11 Labs. Now I'm in text-to-speech. I've already chosen the one I want, and now I'm going to click Generate Speech. Next, I'll download it. Then I'll go to Uploads and drag it in. Next, I'll add it there. And make this a little quieter and this one a little louder. Lastly, I'll split the narration into sections to match each of the scenes. Watch me as I go through and do that. Now let's watch the whole thing. I'll add a fade out at the end. There we go. We could add music, but I'm not going to do for this video. But what I will do is come over here to Share, then go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, quality is 1080, and click Download. And that's it. Now I'm ready to use this story in my classroom, on my social media, or wherever I want to put it. Now you know the whole process of creating images in Canva AI, then turning those images into videos, then taking those little mini videos and putting them together piece by piece to make one larger project. All right, and now it's time for you to try it yourself. Have fun experimenting.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.